Hey guys, Kobe with KCL Creations Paintless Dent Repair. Today I have a 2012 Toyota RAV4 with a large dent right here in the fender. Damage goes from all the way up here to all the way down behind this wheel opener molding. Stay tuned, we're going to fix this with Paintless Dent Repair. Alright, so we have the wheel opener molding pulled off of this now. Now we have the ability to see the full extent of this dent. It does come all the way down here to the edge of the fender. I do have a slight buckle right here, nothing major, slight buckle, but a really big curved crease dent. It's pretty sharp crowns here, a little bit going on through here. I also have a body line right here that comes right into that I have to reconstruct all of that, as long as push all this down as well. So stay tuned. We're gonna knock this out and make this look great.